I try to do everything in a very intense way. And I think when I'm in the office, I work 100%, and when I'm here, it's like 100% another thing. When you walk in the garden, you have to think, okay, things which have to be done, you have to make plannings, you have to make timings, you have to talk with the gardeners, to organize, make planting schemes and all these things. So it's again there, it's a different thing, but it's a good thing for me. This collection for me is still one of the more important ones in my career, I think, because here I really found kind of the right balance between everything which I'm standing for, but still pushing things really forward. The idea here was mixing sportswear with haute couture. So we developed like really beautiful fabrics, bright yellow silks, taffeta, mixed with polyester so that they were bouncing and standing in a very particular way. Fabrics which looked completely wet but was just like an effect of a certain yarn. So the whole thing had kind of, in the same way, a freshness, still something beautiful and pretty, but also really modernity. From this collection on, you see that we built up a whole new aesthetic. All ethnic references are gone, no folkloric references, so it's all contemporary clothes, contemporary fabrics, but 100% me.
So the idea is that you would use any print, it doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm.
The only rule is that the color has to be right, so everything is almost everything is white, and then you can cut out a rose, you can take a wallpaper. It's just that the background is white. So
put them on the floor beside each other. The prints on the stark white feel is nice. The fact, I think, that we get rid of the ecru is also nice, because the white pushes it somewhere which I think is interesting. Colors, of course, it's my dada. It's something which I really love. I love to play with it. I love also to use it in all different subtleties to create, again, like a certain feeling, to create a certain emotion. It's really kind of a tool and a toy, both at the same time, to create my world.